Welcome to Off the Record with your host Holly Dunn and Rena Hernandez, brought to you by the Muskogee Creek Nation Department of Behavioral Health. And now, here's your host, Holly and Rena.
Hi, my name is Holly Dunn.
And I'm Rena Hernandez.
And we're here to let you know about the upcoming events, trainings, and updates from the Muskogee Creek Nation Behavioral Health and Substance Abuse Services. Rena, would you like to tell us about the upcoming events or the past events?
Yeah, I can definitely focus on the upcoming events first. So what we have going on now, actually ongoing currently, is the Tulsa Youth Wellness Camp that's taking place at the Tulsa Indian Community Center. This has been the first year that we were able to provide that to the community. In the past, it had just been restricted to participants only, so we're very excited that we're able to bring that. We're actually hosting 3 of these youth wellness camps, the first one being in Tulsa. Next week we will focus on Morris Indian Community and then follow up with Wetumpka Indian Community.
That's awesome. So we were actually wanting to also tell you guys about the collaboration efforts. So anytime that you guys are wanting to focus on something that's more children related and that deals upon the youth wellness aspect of children's mental health, we would love to come in and partner with you on certain events like that. So with your community centers, with your schools, that's something that we definitely want to look at and keep that up to date as much as possible. We want to stay just as relevant about children's mental health awareness. So we would like to do what we can for the communities. So for example, some of the things that we had done last month, which some of you may know that May is Children's Mental Health Awareness. So we put some different events together to go to our communities and to our citizens and just the whole population to tell them about Children's Mental Health Day Awareness. And some of the monthly events that we did do are, Rena, could you tell us a little bit about those?
Absolutely. So like Holly mentioned, for Children's Mental Health Awareness Day, we did host an event here at the Mound just to bring education to the community. So May was also National Prevention Week, and that took place on May 14th through the 20th. The theme this year was making each day count, and we definitely did that. We hosted a series of different events throughout the week that we hosted or co-hosted with our community coalitions. Just a few of those would be, we had mental health screenings set up in the hospital. We also did a mental health resource fair at the College of Muskogee Nation. We had QPR suicide prevention trainings. We coordinated or partnered with Tobacco Prevention to provide a wellness run. And to top it all off, we were able to sponsor the Tulsa Drillers baseball game on May 21st, which was the last day of Prevention Week, and provide a variety of resources to the participants at that event. It was just a really fun event for families and community members. We were able to give out some tickets for those individuals to attend that event and also experience the fireworks show, which was amazing.
Also, to talk about some of the collaborative efforts that we did last month, in May we did a mini block party. This was a collaboration with our Taylor Drive administration and their office there. What we are looking at doing is bringing an event to the neighborhood for children to either play on the inflatables, but also to bring those programs, the tribal programs, to that area to let them know that we do have those tobacco prevention programs, children and family services, along with educational aspects to that. So we were really happy with that collaboration.
Absolutely. We had an amazing turnout at that event, and this was something that was in the works that we definitely wanted it to take place because one of our youth wellness workers has actually been working with the youth who reside in the Taylor Drive apartments and work covering life skills and just getting out a bunch of resources to those families.
And then some of the updates that we want to give and to leave you guys with is the support services for families. So the Muskogee Creek Nation has a no wait list treatment services that are available, and also they're called modified open access. So MOA is what you would hear several behavioral health therapists refer to. You can call us for details. Those are actually held at Coweta, Sapulpa, Okmulgee, and Okemah Behavioral Health clinics or locations. We also want to let anyone know that you can receive these services from wherever location. Maybe you live in Coweta, but you rather come to the Okmulgee office. That's definitely an option. So we can look at doing that. But what we'd like you to do is call in to one of our local clinics to get the details on that. So that number would be 888-756-4333. And also, if you'll take a look at the screen, we also will show the different dates and times for those events, for those MOA access plans. So we definitely want to let you know that that is something that we can do, is to find treatment services for you and your family.
Great. Another project that we've been working on is offering mindfulness-based services to the community members. So we have initiated our first set of series, which would be mindfulness-based stress reduction, which has been clinically proven to help reduce or alleviate symptoms of anxiety, depression, stress, and even pain. The series will take place at several different locations, one at the Okmulgee Medical Center and the other at the Coweta Indian Health Center, and then also at the Okemah Indian Health Center. And we are looking at expanding this program to the other areas as soon as we're able to identify locations that we're able to host this. So please join us on any of those days. You'll be able to partake in mindfulness meditation, mindful eating, mindful walks. We're also going to be covering some light aromatherapy, and you'll participate in light yoga. You don't need to call in to participate in this event, but we do have several locations and specific dates that are available at each of those. Okay, so please visit the website for those flyers and those details. Or you can call our office at 918-758-1930 and get the information or find a site near you.
Well, guys, we would like to thank you for joining us today. We would love to see you next month. We're going to be doing this on a monthly basis to let you guys know what updates or upcoming events that are coming up for the Muskogee Creek Nation Behavioral Health Services. Again, any collaborative efforts that you would like to see our youth wellness department at, we can definitely do. We just need you guys to call in, and we need to know what you guys are up to. So thank you for your time, and we appreciate you joining us today. Thank you.
Absolutely. Thank you.
Off the Record is brought to you by the Muskogee Creek Nation Office of Public Relations. Muskogee Creek Nation, your partner for the future.